Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today is going to be an awesome meat. We're going to be doing a beef ribeye steak on the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. I can't wait. I've never done a steak before and I've heard people say that the air fryers do an amazing job on this, so I got a really awesome steak. And you might be wondering, why am I doing a ribeye versus something else? Why don't I grill it? Or you know what? I'm just gonna try it and see how it turns out. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the steak and the seasonings and stuff that we're using. All right, guys, this is what we got. A beef ribeye steak. This thing is massive. Look at this thing. Just freaking huge. I mean, that thing is thick. All right, so what we're gonna season this up with is going to be, I'm going to start out with a little of Cosmos Q, the Texas beef, hit it with a little bit of It's Incredible, and finish it off with a little Montreal steak, just a little bit of each one of these. So let's go ahead and get this thing seasoned up. Alright guys, we're finished seasoning, so we're going to go ahead and go over to the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. See you in a minute. Alright guys, so we're at the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick, we got a rack here, okay? I'm using one rack, we're using the middle rack. I'm going to pop it in, I'm going to turn this thing on. And I don't preheat ever, but I'm going to try something. So I'm going to go on 400 degrees for 5 minutes. I'm going to try to get that rack really hot. We'll see you in 5 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get that rack really hot, which I'm going to take out, bring it down here real quick. I'm going to take that rack out and set it here. Should be super hot. I'm going to go ahead and throw that steak right on there. All I'm trying to do, I didn't hear any sizzle, but it's super hot. All I'm trying to do is maybe get little marks on there, possibly. I don't know, so that's what we're going to try. Anyway, putting it on there just like that, and we're going to go right back in. I'm going to bring you back up here. Oop. Right there, and in there, middle rack, close that thing up, and we are going at 400 degrees for 10 minutes, and we'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes. I just want to take a look and see what's going on here. 10 minutes in the air fryer, and the house smells amazing, and that steak is already looking phenomenal. So what we're going to do is we're going to give this a 180 degree rotation, just like that. And we're going to throw it back in the air fryer, just like that. Bring it back up here. I'm going to close this back up. We're going back on 400 for another 10 minutes. And we will see you in 10 minutes. Okay guys, it's been actually 18 minutes. There's a couple minutes left on the air fryer, but I went ahead and checked the temperature. We're sitting at 140 degrees. I can't believe how fast this thing cooked. So let's take a look. I mean, that is a beautiful looking, look at those juices, yum. All right, cool, well we're done. We'll see you at the cutting board. All right guys, we're finished. This is what we've got. I've let it sit for about 5 minutes. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and cut into it and see what we got. We were looking between 135 and 140 is what we got. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut right into this thing. Oh my, there's no pressure hardly on the knife at all. Oh man. Okay, well, just like I thought. It's a medium, that's fine. I mean, first time doing this, look at this. Ooh, still hot. I mean, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, it's just dripping juices. That is phenomenal for an air fryer. Look at that. That's perfect. Okay, so that's what we got, guys. I gotta taste it. I've got to taste it. Mmm. Mm-hmm. That is awesome. All right, guys, we're going to bring you right back. I'll wrap this thing up for the grand finale and one more taste of the steak. See you in a minute. All right, guys, so we are finished with the cook. And it's awesome. I mean, we're talking about 18 minutes. We got a medium to, medium well done steak, but I mean, it's the first time I've done it. So, next time I do like maybe 7 minutes on one side, 6 minutes on the other, come out with a awesome medium rare. I mean, we're talking 13, 14 minutes for an awesome medium rare ribeye steak. That blows my mind. That's awesome. So, it's a huge success. Next time I know, as far as the minutes, I could, knock it down a little bit, but huge success, an awesome ribeye steak. I mean, it's super good, super awesome. So if you guys are interested in this air fryer, I'll pin a comment. If you guys want to buy it on Amazon, best price, free shipping right to you. Also, there's a link in the description below. It'll take you to Amazon's homepage, and anything that you buy there, if you use that link, it'll just help my YouTube channel out a little bit. Give me a couple of pennies here and there and whatnot. So I think you use your Prime account if you want as well. But if you click that and shop, I'd appreciate that as well. But this was amazing, guys, absolutely. And I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this for sure. And with that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.